AI can be a valuable tool for email marketers, but it's unlikely to completely replace them. Email marketing involves a combination of art and science, and while AI can automate certain tasks and provide data-driven insights, it often lacks the creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking that human marketers can bring to the table. Here are some ways in which AI can assist email marketers. AI enables personalization by analyzing customer data and behavior to tailor email content. It helps in segmenting email lists for sending targeted content to different audience segments. AI automates A/B testing for optimizing subject lines, content, and timing in email campaigns. Predictive analytics aids in forecasting customer behavior and engagement trends for data-driven decisions. AI can assist in generating email content and subject lines, but may lack the creativity and emotional connection of human-written content. AI optimizes send times by analyzing when the audience is most likely to engage with emails. In summary, AI can enhance and streamline email marketing efforts, but it is more of a complementary tool rather than a complete replacement for human email marketers. Successful email marketing often requires a blend of AI-driven automation and human expertise.